Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss the example for limit. Determine the asymptote for the function fx, which is equals to 3x minus 4 over x squared minus 3x. So now we are going to first category, which is the vertical asymptote. So in order to find the vertical asymptote, kindly refers to the function, the denominator part, where we have x squared minus 3x, which is equals to x multiplied with x minus 3. So by referring to this part, we can see that x squared minus 3x cannot be equals to 0 because the situation will become undefined. So meaning that in here, x cannot be equals to 0, x cannot be equals to 3. So with this kind of method, meaning that we can determine the vertical asymptote. So in here, the vertical asymptote are x equals to 0 and x equals to 3. Because when you substitute the value of 0 and 3 into the function, then the situation will become undefined. Next, second part, we're going to determine the horizontal asymptote. So in here, limits when x approaching negative infinity for the function 3x minus 4 over x squared minus 3x. Another part where we have limits when x approaching positive infinity for the function 3x minus 4 over x squared minus 3x. So that is the step for us to determine the horizontal asymptote. So kindly refers to the left hand side. What we have to do is to substitute the value. So if we substitute the negative infinity into the function, and we will obtain negative infinity over infinity, where we will have the situation what we call the indeterminate form. So my suggestion for this kind of situation would be dividing the numerator and the denominator with the highest power of x for the denominator. So meaning that we have to refer to the denominator, and the highest power for the denominator is x squared. So meaning that we need to factor out the x squared for numerator and also the denominator. So limit when x approaching negative infinity, we need to factor out the x squared. So meaning that we have 3 over x minus 4 over x squared over x squared bracket, we have 1 minus 3 over x. So simplify the situation, limit when x approaching negative infinity, we will have 3 over x minus 4 over x squared over 1 minus 3 over x. So kindly take note, 1 over infinity is equals to 0. So if we substitute the situation, and we will obtain 3 over infinity 0 minus 4 over infinity also 0 for the numerator. Next, focus on the denominator where we have 1 minus 0. So as we all know, 0 over 1, and the situation limits when x approaching negative infinity for the function 3x minus 4 over x squared minus 3x. It is approaching 0. So in here we can say that the horizontal asymptote will be y equals to 0 for the left hand side. Next, focus on the right hand side. So as we can see, the situation is the same. If we substitute, we will obtain positive infinity over positive infinity, where we have the indeterminate form as well. So by using the same strategy, so meaning that dividing the numerator and also the denominator with the highest power of x for the denominator. So in here, the highest power for the denominator is x squared. So by referring to the left hand side, we can write the situation with 3 over x minus 4 over x squared over 1 minus 3 over x. And obviously, the answer will be approaching 0 as well. So for this example, the conclusion would be the vertical asymptote are x equals to 0, x equals to 3. For the horizontal asymptote, the situation will be y is equals to 0. So for more discussion about this kind of situation, you may refer the link at the description, or you may click the link at the screen on the right hand side. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you think the video is useful, kindly consider to like, comment, share and subscribe.